Welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 403. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to just restart your computer or laptop, right? And this will help to delete all the cache and this may fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to do one thing. You have to just go to the setting. On the start, go to a setting, and here on the search bar you have to type remove. That is the first option you will get, add or remove programs. Okay, and after doing it, on the search bar you will find here where you have to uninstall the Roblox. Okay, so on the search bar you have to type your Roblox. Okay, right now it is not installed here. I use the web version, but if you have installed it, just you have to uninstall. You have to just click here on the uninstall and you have to reinstall it once again, right? This may definitely fix your problem. And if you found this video really interesting, make sure to subscribe channel, like this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video.